Set on a professionally landscaped corner lot in desirable Freeman Plat, this classic brick Georgian Colonial is replete with luxurious amenities throughout its spacious floor plan. The large living room, with its impressive wood-burning fireplace and beautiful architectural details, welcomes family and friends alike, while the abutting library with custom built-ins provides a quiet reprieve. Start your day in the refreshing breakfast room or take your meal in the lovely formal dining room with a picturesque bow window. The fully equipped chef's kitchen has stainless steel appliances, marble backsplash, an abutting butler's pantry, and a delightful sunroom that looks out on the bluestone terrace surrounded by manicured gardens. On the second floor is an impressive master suite with a private sitting room, generous walk-in closet, and a beautifully renovated spa-like bath. There are 2 additional bedroom suites, each with a dressing area and a private bath. Finishing the level is a spacious bedroom suite with a private bath offering the perfect place for an au pair or visiting family and friends. On the upper level is another bedroom and bath and an exercise room complete with sauna. While on the finished lower level is a sizable family room ideal for watching the game or the latest movie. The east side has many recreation areas, including Lippert Memorial Park and the Greenway along Blackstone Boulevard. Shop at the locally owned boutiques and cafes along Hope and Thayer Streets, or stroll to Wayland Square. Neighboring College Hill is home to the renowned campuses of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Easy highway access and the Providence train station allow you to commute up and down the Northeast Corridor. Take advantage of downtown Providence with its vibrant arts and cultural community. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.